Hi everyone, so this is the Canon zoom lens that I have that I wanna start it off. So it's a Canon zoom lens EF 75 to 300 f4 to 5.6 IS lens. This is the front condition, and this is the side. It has an image stabilizer. Alright, it can shoot macro up to 1.5 meters. So yeah, it's ultrasonic camera. This is the behind, the bottom, the front. One thing I noticed is that this one is rosak lah. I mean this one is broken, so we need to do something about it if you decide to buy it. I put a tape here to make sure that it remains here, doesn't fall off. I noticed there's a fungus or something. I mean there's some sort of growth here. Not sure if you can see it. But yeah, there's something there. Anyways, I will sell this lens off for cheap lah. So but yeah, I'm gonna show a shine test. Yeah, you can see the thing there. Right. The focusing and zoom is smooth. So it's fine. Works fine. So there you go. This is a Canon 75 to 300 f4 to 5.6 IS lens. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. It will really help. Thank you so much everyone. God bless.